Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make shortbread, cookies or biscuits. So if you love to see how I made it, or if you just want to learn how to make this properly, then watch this video to the end. So in my mixing bowl, I will add some salted margarine, and here you can use unsalted as well, but make sure to add some salt to it to bring out the rich flavor of the cookies. I will then add icing sugar, and you can use granulated sugar, but just make sure to mix it very well for it to melt into the margarine. So I will use my hand mixer to mix it very well till it becomes pale yellow, just as you see in the video. And next I am going to add some corn flour, and this is totally optional. Add some vanilla essence, and then add in your flour, and here make sure to be adding the flour bit by bit, okay, because we don't want everything to be messy here. So I will continue with my hand mixer, and if you don't have the hand mixer, you can use a whisk or you can use a standing mixer as well. So I will mix this very well and then continue to be adding the flour bit by bit till I'm done. So the reason why I added the corn flour was because I want it to bind very well. I want the cookies to bind very well. That is why I added it, but you can just skip it, okay, if you are not comfortable with it. So after mixing it with the mixer, I will now use my spatula and then do this gently. After that, I will use my hands to mix the ingredients very well so they look like breadcrumbs. And here I will knead it for 2 to 3 minutes. I will then squeeze it to form a dough, and after I form a dough, I will transfer it onto a tray with some parchment paper, and here I am going to flatten the dough to make my biscuits. So here, flatten it according to how you want your cookies or biscuits to look like. If you want it to be heavy, then you have to do it just the way you want it, okay? So here I will cover it with the parchment paper and then use a glass cup and then roll this till I get a flat surface. And here you can use a rolling pin as well. Do you know you can actually make this a side hustle? If you want to start something small and you have no idea of what to do, just try this and it will work out for you. And here it is flat and very beautiful, but the sides aren't okay, so I will cut the sides and then put them on top of the dough and roll it once again for everything to be perfectly fine. And guys, if you are still watching this video to this point, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Share this video so my videos can reach wider audience, okay? And please don't forget to like this video for me, and make sure to turn on your notification bell to get notified anytime I drop any video. Thank you for doing that for your girl. And the dough is perfectly fine now, and then I will use my knife to divide it into 3, and here you can use any cutter of choice. I will then cut it into shortbread fingers. The sizes they make the shortbread, so I am going to cut it the same way, but you can cut it any way you like. And guys, please don't forget to follow me on other social media platforms at Pyrax's Kitchen. and I will leave my links in the description box. Okay? Hmm. I will then use a fork to create some holes, and here everything is fine now, and I am going to put this in the fridge for 30 minutes, and after that I will bake it for 20 to 30 minutes till it is golden brown. And here the cookies are ready, so I will allow it to cool down for 30 minutes, and then you can get a cup of tea and enjoy. And this is a perfect snack for your kids to take it to school tomorrow. So please don't be lazy, go and do some for your kids, okay? And they will love it. And thank you very very much. I hope you love this video. Be safe, take care of yourself until we meet in the next video. And make sure to subscribe to this channel, okay? Bye bye.